Oh, it's been a long time since I peeled something like this off. Ooh. 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 Howdy folks, TJ here. What the heck's on my head? Well, it's my Santa hat. It's not quite Christmas yet, but what I'm going to make a video on here for is something kind of a Christmas present for my wife and I. Really my wife, because she's going to be using this. And then after she uses it, and I get to use it a little bit, I may want to get one too. I'm up in the air because I've been Android for the last 2 years. I started out iPhone. I'm an Apple guy, been Apple since forever. First iPhone, and of course computers back in the olden days too. But for whatever reason, I went Pixel 3 2 years ago. Overall, my experience was fine, but I do miss some of the iPhone, the land of iPhone. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Ecosystem, I guess is a word they use. But I'm kind of a retro guy, so most everybody watching these videos I make are kind of retro people. You've got Sam Coupe and Next Sinclair computers and you name it. But I thought I'd make a video anyway because this is an expensive device. It's pretty high tech and I thought it'd be fun. You know, make a video on iPhone 12 Pro that my wife is going to get to use. She's been bitching and moaning. She's got a 128 gigabyte iPhone 7. It was originally mine. It was the nice red, Project Red color. Beautiful phone. And she's been using that. I gave her that when I went to Pixel 2 years ago. But it's been a long time. We haven't updated iPhone since 7. And it's now up to 12. So it's been a long time. So this Retro Geeky Nerd is going to kind of update things a little bit. I'm undecided what I'm going to do. I think after I use her iPhone, I may want to get one. But this is a 256 gigabyte. Ordered it special for her because she fills up her current iPhone that's 128 gig completely. And she's always saying, I have no more room. I have no more room. So I ordered the 256 gigabyte version. I'm a nice guy, right? We'll see what happens for me. I've been looking at the Microsoft Surface Duo. Nowhere comparable to this in terms of power and photography and all that. So the odds are I'll go with this, but the Duo is sexier than hell. It's a beautiful phone. And I don't use phones like, yep. I don't talk on phones. I'm kind of a retro, if I need to call someone, I'll call them. But I don't listen to my phone all day. I don't take it out of my pocket. I use it mostly for internet, Facebook, email, fun things. So the Surface Duo having 2 screens and me being able to multitask might be better for me. But we'll see. I think after I open this up, I'm going to want one. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. Long story short, unboxing. So I'm going to pan the camera down here. This is how it came in. It's T-Mobile. And let's see how it goes. So let me point the camera down. You'll see my beautiful Sam Coupe and Specky next to here. I love old computers. So I thought it'd be kind of fun from a retro computer guy standpoint. Getting a high-tech piece of machinery here would be kind of fun to do an unboxing. And I gotta be very careful because I don't want to bust something. Got my Santa ball flying around. What side do you like your Santa ball on, the right or the left? Depends on how you're hanging that day, So, beautiful box. It's got this cool graphic-y look to it. There was a piece of plastic wrap around there. I did take that off. I didn't think I need to show that part. But here's the box. Here's the back of the box. Much slimmer than past boxes that I recall. iPhone, very faint. It's kind of in a blue color. It says the same in there. And then the back of the box. I'm sure you probably don't care about that. And I don't know if there's stuff back there that I'll just keep private, I guess. But I think I probably already showed it anyway, so who cares? So here's the box. Let's go ahead and... Oh! Well, this top box has a little heft to it. Nice. Even a little indent. I wonder if that was pre-thought up or they had to put it in there afterwards. Let me make sure the camera's still putting down there. Yeah, looks like it's all in there. So, what color did we get? I had to get the blue. My wife actually liked the green, but that's not a Pro. That's the regular 12. So to get the Pro, like she wanted, blue was it. So let's take this off. So it's got all sorts of plastic and stuff on there. So we got to get a case and everything. She's going to get a Hello Kitty case for it. But it's her phone, so she can do whatever the heck she wants. So here's the... Hopefully, I'm probably gonna get glare from the light here, so I'll hold it in a few different positions. Let me actually kind of see. Yeah, it's probably gonna get glare. Who cares? You probably can't pick up the blue, but it's beautiful. Here's the back of the phone, and all this plastic stuff on here. So maybe I should peel it off first, huh? Yeah, let's go ahead and peel it off. So it's got there's little insignias here. Power button, looks like the mute button, volume buttons. Oh, it's been a long time since I peeled something like this off. Ooh. 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 Nice. Oh, wow. That's one beautiful looking screen. I'm going to be very careful with this. It's an expensive phone. So... yeah, look at the little antennas here. So I've got antenna here, here. You know, I'm not no Mr. Photographer, so this is probably going to be pretty bland, but hopefully I pick up some angles on it that makes it look kind of cool. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump. I'm not going to turn it on either. That's going to be for another video. The buttons... yeah, feel really good. That's funny. So is there any other plastic stuff on here? I'm surprised they're not protecting the front. Maybe they've gotten away from using plastic, period. I would have thought they would have put one of these on the front also, but no, it doesn't look like it. Or on the back, I should say. So this side had protection, nothing here. Interesting. It's got tons of cameras. I mean, this is going to be the top of the line best phone we've ever had in terms of video capability. So that's probably why I'm going to enjoy it. So anyway, just thought I'd do kind of a quick unboxing of the phone part. Let's put this safely back over here. Whew, I'm kind of scared holding it. So it comes with, here's the inside of the box. What's this? Oh, a little tube for the SIM card thing. And a little iPhone little booklet. Ooh, probably everybody that's done a video on this has done the same thing. But this is the Retro Nerd Santa Hat guy version. Let's go ahead and push this back in here. So that's kind of cool. Hey, where's a sticker? Don't they give oh, there's a sticker. I was going to say, that's the first time I've ever purchased something Apple that didn't come with a sticker. Now, here's the weird part that everybody's bitching about. And I'm not going to open this cable. I'm going to keep it nice and pretty. But it comes with the stupidest cable. In terms of, yeah, why are they... So, what goes into the bottom of the phone? And this is this what? C? So, this part's a C. And this is a Thunderbolt. So, what goes into the bottom of the phone? Be careful. That looks like... Which one is it? I think that's C in the bottom here. I'm going to have to look a little closer, but if that's the case, and this goes into the bottom of the phone, the C, what the frick is this going to go plug into? It can't be right. I'm going to have to look a little closer. I'm kind of blind. I can't see shit. So, yeah, that would be a silly cable to have. They don't include a power adapter thing anymore, but to me it would have made more sense to have USB-C to C. If this is indeed C down here, I'll quickly find out here in a little bit. Or if this is it, then I guess that's okay. Thunderbolt plugs into the bottom, this and the C, but most everybody's got USB, you know, the regular old style, so I don't know. I'll have to look into that. So, that's my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Retro geeky nerdy type of guy having a high-tech device that I'm not going to know what the hell to do with. Oh well. Merry Christmas to us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, I had to come back quickly. So it is the Thunderbolt that plugs into the bottom of the phone. So I guess technically it's not that bad. This other side, C. Do I have any? Yeah, my Pixel 3, I think the little charger for it's USB-C. So I think I'll be able to use that charger to charge the phone. I think I'm okay. Thank you.